Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the exclamation mark on Wi-Fi on a MacBook. So first of all, before changing any settings, let's try a simple fix by reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. Go to the top menu bar and click on the Wi-Fi icon. From here, turn the Wi-Fi switch off. Wait for about 10 seconds. After that, turn the Wi-Fi back on and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Now wait a few moments and check if the exclamation mark disappears and the internet starts working again. If the exclamation mark is still there, then click on Wi-Fi settings. Here, click on details next to your connected Wi-Fi network. A new panel will open. From the right side, go to the TCP or IP section. Here, find and click on Renew DHCP Lease. Wait a few seconds and check if the problem is fixed. If renewing the DHCP lease does not work, then go back to the network section. Here, right-click on the Wi-Fi service and select Delete Service from the menu. Once it is deleted, click on the three dots with the downward arrow icon at the bottom, then select Add Service. A pop-up will appear where you need to select Wi-Fi as the interface, and you can see the service name here. Once done, click on Create. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check your internet connection. And that's it. This is how you can fix the exclamation mark on Wi-Fi on a MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.